In this video, let me show you how to fix OCBC Digital login problem. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure in this situation is that the information that you're entering or the credentials that you're entering are correct. If you think that you have forgotten your password or your PIN, you can simply head over to the trouble login option and make sure you reset or create a new PIN. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out in this situation is try to clear out the app cache and data of the application. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear all data. What this does is deletes any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue. So once you complete this step, head over to the application again and try to see if you can now log in. If you have recently switched your phone, your digital one token must be reactivated, so make sure you do that as well. In order to activate the token, you can simply head over to the login page, log in using your access code and PIN, and then reset the SMS using the OTP. So this is the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.